up, guys? What's up? This morning here, I had a complaint. Somebody sent me a message saying, man, those spider guards, I hate those spider guards. I got stuck there. You know, I shredded a lot. The guy kept me there forever. And I got strapped at the end of the day, or either I couldn't pass and I got tired. So let's kind of work here. One of the most common situations there is when the guy has both feet on your arm. So let's talk about the devil first. Sleep control and double arm, okay? A lot of things can go wrong here. One of the things I like to do right off the bat, anytime somebody has a spider on me, or even when somebody grabs my sleeve, I always point my thumbs out, okay? Because I want here my elbows to turn in a little bit. That kind of makes a little more, counter when a guy tries to push and stuff. I can kind of squeeze a little bit his foot, try to move your foot out. See, I can actually here just hold the guy prisoner too. It's not just the guy having fun with me, okay? But my idea here in this position is I want to kind of capture the pants in this situation as far under the guy's calf as I can. So when he holds me, go ahead. I kind of turn my thumbs out and I sidestep over here with my arm kind of going as deep as I can, grabbing the lapel. I'm not the lapel, the pants. Then, and here a lot of times, look, I tilt my hand, look my head. I tilt my head and I kind of connect my other hand there. Now when I go back to the middle, okay, I'll pick one side. In this case here, I'll step my left leg with my heel. And as I move my weight forward, I punch my arm straight. So everything here. And when I step second leg, I bump my hip up. And therefore here, I get flat and I pass. So this is kind of like an ideal situation. This is like, oh, nothing goes wrong. But believe me, some guys are pain, especially guys with short legs. When you do this one, they're gonna coil. So let's first see the mechanics there. So I wanna go here. So hold here and go here like that. 1 and 2, right here, okay? Let's see how that works. You kind of twist your punch. So one more time, la la la. Elbows in, side step, tilt, grab. All right, so here, remember what I did. I side step and I grab, then I tilt and I grab. Okay, now when I go back to the middle, stay strong, stiff, whatever you want. I step, when I step the leg, I like not to put my foot, but my heel on the ground. Right here. Heel on the ground, then I get the second leg, boom. I punch and hip bump. And remember, when I punch, I twist my punch, so I punch like this, not just straight. And from here, you have a deflection. Man, I wish it was always that easy. But believe me, some guys catch up with that, and guess what they do? They become a pain, yes. And one of the things they're gonna do, real quick, when you try to do that step with the punch and the hip bump, 1 and 2, they coil their legs, both at the same time. See here? So in this position here, what I do, okay, I'll connect my hip on the guy's hip, punch, and then I'll put my knee on the ground and touch my chest on the guy's hip. So my shoulder, you know, he has the foot on my shoulder, put your foot on my shoulder. I can't punch him. So here I connect the hip on his hip. Then I back up my knee, punch him, and connect my chest to his hip, and then deflect my head out of the way and do the pass. All right? Let's put it together just one more time. I hope you guys have fun. Don't try that unsupervised at home. Let's do it again one more time. Okay, the first one, you do your dance. 1, 2, step, step, and punch. Okay, then you get out. Second one, I'm gonna do the same thing. Grab, back to the middle, step, step, punch. The guy coils, okay? Hip and punch, hip forward and punch. Knee down and drop your chest to the guy's hip. And move your head out of the way. So, for you guys who have been on my YouTube channel, welcome back. I'm gonna be showing more stuff out there. Make sure you guys don't miss the bit, because these are not gonna be there forever. These are gonna be there just for a few days. You don't show up, you don't say like, you don't make comments and tell me how you make your friends suffer, I'm not gonna show you anymore. Thumbs up, everybody. See you next time.